Hi, I'm Amy Vaya, and I want to talk to you about My Gold Souq. Now, I'm a girl and I love jewelry, but that might be because it's been my family business since the 1930s. My father, and his father all had gold shops in the Manama Souk. And so I really understand the problem with this industry, which is that customers nowadays, when they're looking to spend that kind of money, they want a really nice upscale experience. And unfortunately, the gold souk still looks like this. And I also understand the problem on the other side, which is that these vendors are not tech savvy enough to get in on the whole online revolution. They have barely figured out Instagram. And so that's where we come in. We built My Gold Souq to connect customers with these vendors and to bring the Gold Souq online. And you can do everything on our website that you can do at the actual Gold Souq. Importantly, if you order an item online and then you don't like it in person, you can return it immediately on the spot. And also, the prices on our website float with the live gold rate. Now, I know that haggling is one of the great pleasures of shopping at the Gold Souq for a lot of people, but with my experience, I know that any discount you think you're getting is purely imaginary. This is how an item is priced. There's the gold, the craftsmanship, and the jeweler's markup, which they will always inflate before they quote you a price. Because of our experience, we know what that best price is supposed to be, and we figured out that sweet spot of taking 30% of their revenues. So we make our money, the price to the customer remains unchanged, and effectively, we did the haggling for you. The market is valued at 7.2 million BD a year. We estimate that we can capture about 10% of this, or 100,000 BD a year. Now this is where we need your help. We want to open up export markets to these vendors because we know that there is huge demand for our product in Saudi Arabia and the UAE. The goal really is to find retailers who want to stock our items wholesale in their shops as a Bahrain collection. And I'm very confident that we can achieve this with your support because we have a fantastic team with IT, design, and marketing capabilities all in-house and advisory services from my father, who's been in this business for more than 45 years. So this is about national heritage and it's about making the Gold Souq bigger. Thank you so much for this opportunity and thank you for your time.